Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to get pets in Heartopia. So, if you want to adopt pets in Heartopia, there are two main steps you need to complete before you can bring a cat or dog home. First, you need to unlock three specific hobbies. These are bird watching, insect catching, and cooking. And to do this, you need to level up your DG Guild member rank so you can earn hobby expansion tickets. As you can see, that's currently my task here. There we go. Right over here. That quest should unlock uh during DG member level 5. And once you have those tickets, you'll talk to the right NPCs to learn each hobby. You're going to be talking to Bailey J to learn bird watching. So just pull up your map. So this is Bailey J. Again, talk to Bailey J to learn bird watching. You're going to have to talk to Naniwa to learn insect catching and Massimo to learn cooking. Each of them will give you quests. Complete those quests and you'll be able to set for the next step. Now for step 2, you need to level up your DG guild member rank to 12. Once you reach level 12, you'll unlock the ability to adopt pets. But there's an order you must follow. You have to adopt a cat first before you can adopt a dog. And to start the adoption process, just head to Central Square and talk to Miss Joan. Miss Joan is right over here. There we go. And choose the option to learn about cat caring, then talk to her again and confirm cat learning. You'll need to give her a hobby expansion ticket, and after that, you can talk to one of the cats in the building and choose to adopt it. You can name your cat, and once you're done, it'll teleport straight to your house. After adopting a cat, just go back to Miss Joan and confirm dog caring by giving her another hobby expansion ticket, and you'll be able to talk to any dog in the room and adopt one. Just like the cat, your dog will also teleport back to your house after adoption. And that's it. That's exactly how you get pets in Artopia. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!